across many questions that's related to personal finance, investment, and money management. One of the most common questions I receive is, what are the best money books to read in your 20s? In this YouTube video, I'll be sharing my top book recommendations that are helping many persons to take control of their finance and build wealth in their 20s. Number 1, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. First published in 1937, this timeless classic has helped millions of people achieve financial success. The book teaches readers how to develop a money mindset and the importance of goal setting, persistence, and determination in achieving financial independence. This is a must-read book for anyone looking to improve their financial situation. Number 2, The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. This book offers a unique perspective on personal finance by drawing lessons from the ancient Babylonian civilization. It offers practical advice on how to save money, invest wisely, and build wealth over time. The book is written in simple language and is easy to understand, making it an ideal choice for beginners. Book 3, The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. This book challenged the common perception that millionaires are flashy spenders who live in mansions and drive luxury cars. Instead, the author revealed that most millionaires live frugally and make smart financial decisions. The book provides valuable insight in how ordinary people can become millionaires through hard work, discipline, and smart financial planning. Book number 4, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book is a personal finance classic that has helped millions of people change their mindset about money. The book advocates for financial education and encourages readers to focus on building assets instead of accumulating liability. It also highlights the importance of passive income streams, such as real estate and investment, in achieving financial independence. Book number 5, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Considered one of the best investment books of all time, The Intelligent Investor provides a comprehensive guide to investing in the stock market. It emphasizes the importance of value investing and teaches readers how to evaluate stock based on fundamental analysis. The book is an essential read for anyone looking to invest in stock and build wealth over the long term. My conclusion: reading book is one of the best ways to gain knowledge and insight into personal finance and money management. By reading these books, you'll gain a deeper understanding of how money works and how to make it work for you. I hope this YouTube video has been helpful in providing you with some valuable recommendations for more money books to read in your 20s. If you find it value, if you find it something that is you would recommend, by all means give it a like, subscribe, and just click the notification bell so that we continue to invest in more topics like these to encourage our audience.